Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're having fun in the sun, you have to make sure you have some shade to protect you from those rays. And that's why I really like this AMMSUN beach canopy. Now, what blew my mind when I first saw this was its size. It's so small. It comes in its own carry case. Inside it has the fabric part of the canopy along with 4 poles. This is so easy to put together. The fabric is so soft and stretchy, just spreads nicely across the sand, and then at the end of each corner it has a little pouch which is your sandbag. So it's all in one. You're right there with the sand. You just take a scoop, fill it to the top of each of those bags to make it stable. Then you take the poles out with a round, soft ball at the end. Now this is what's going to go underneath the canopy, and then the elastic band that holds the pole together when you first got it out, now that is what you use to basically, like a rubber band, go around it, tighten it, and it is secure. This is perfect for the beach, the park, anywhere where you're going to need a little extra shade. It's so easy to carry, to assemble. Be sure not to try and use it if it's a really windy day because it will blow over, but if it's just a nice breeze or a little wind, it definitely does a very good job, gives you a little extra shade, and we enjoyed it. This was so nice to have. It was so easy to use. We had a lot of fun having it available to us, and that's my point of view.